So we're going to go through our print calibrations. So there's two calibrations, the feed and the drop position correct, formerly bi-directional. So we're going to find these in the main menu. We're going to go to media settings and printing settings. Now they are split up separately, but you can do both together in batch. I'm just going to show you that the feed calibration is this one here. You can do it manually or allow the printer to do it itself. And the media gap adjustment, former bi-directional, again manually or allow the printer to do it itself. We're going to run batch auto settings. So we're going to execute that. Now the reason for this is when you set up a new media on your printer, you're automatically tuning the printer to the media, so it will perform these alignments. But if you're printing a job and you notice an issue with that print for some reason, either banding and all your nozzles are there, then it's your feed calibration that needs retuning, or in regards to the bi-directional or drop position correct, anything else, so grainy, sort of mottled prints, anything like that. So we're doing both at once and we're doing them automatically because the machine is better at calculating these than the naked eye, apparently. So not like it used to be where you print off the values and then put them into the machine manually. This is all done from the machine. The process takes about 10 minutes, so I've time-lapsed that process there. And then should be good at that point to carry on printing.